What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, girl? Period.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
What's poppin', my girl? How you been? So today we're gonna be doing a holiday glam. I did not participate in Vlogmas this year. Vlogmas is just very stressful, and it just always hits like late November, and I'm like, I should have started planning for Vlogmas, but it's okay because we're still gonna get some holiday content on the channel. So for today, we're gonna be doing a makeup look, a holiday inspired look, and we are going to be using the new Juvias Place Culture 2 palette and their liquid eyeshadows. I'm super excited to be doing this video. They did go ahead and send me this product. This particular video is not sponsored by them. I'm actually doing TikToks, but I just wanted to show you guys this palette on YouTube because I want to give you guys my in-depth and honest opinion on it. So this is the full Culture 2 collection. We have an eyeshadow palette here, and then we have all the liquid eyeshadows. So I'm so excited to see like which one do I want to be using, like, you know, what's the vibe. So let me just show you guys the eyeshadow palette really fast. I am gonna do like some swatches and everything, but yeah. So this is the palette. I think it's so cute. I love like the abstract colors and stuff like that. I think it's super cute. So this is the color range that they have. It has a full color range. This color range is so freaking pretty, and I'm so excited to try these colors out. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do swatches and stuff like that for you guys, but it's gonna be like in long form, so I'll probably just drop it right here. But they have some beautiful shades. Like this green is so freaking gorgeous. This gold, this purple, this green, this pinkish purple, this gold, this champagne color. These colors, like these are all super cute. The shimmers really like draw my attention, and then the mattes also look really nice. So you can definitely get some really dramatic looks going on with this palette, but then you also can get some more calm everyday looks, like using these, like a brown like this, like using a cream tone like this, and then you can put like a pop of like shimmer on your eye. So this is honestly a really gorgeous palette. I'll put the retail price down here. I had already like did my skincare routine, which I'm gonna include a clip right here. If you guys want to see my skincare routine, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. On TikTok is where I upload my skincare routine, and it's also gonna be on my YouTube shorts, but TikTok always sees like my shorts first. Okay, so if you guys want to stay up to date with me, make sure you just follow me on all my social media. So let's just list my social media right here. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and yeah, I think that's really my social media that I'm using. I'm over here like, follow me everywhere, girl. Follow me on Facebook and Tarte. I don't be using everything. I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, which they're not giving how much I wanted them to give, but it's okay. I feel like this eyeshadow look is going to eat down today, and I just feel like it's gonna save this look. I'm gonna go ahead and just get my base for my eyeshadow ready. So I'm just gonna take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. You guys know that's my favorite. I'm gonna use the mattifying one though. I'm just gonna rub that all over my eyelid. Make sure you have that eyeshadow base nice, flat, and blended very smoothly. So this will make sure that your eyeshadows have something to grip onto, but then it's also like a smooth base and it's not choppy, because if it's choppy, your shadows are gonna go on looking a little choppy.
We're going to jump in with this shade Soetta, and we're going to put that all over my crease and a little bit above. This is going to be my transition shade. Mind you, this is the easiest eyeshadow look ever. Next up, I'm going to grab the Shiki, and this is a dark maroon kind of plum shade. It really has red undertones, but we're going to go ahead and throw this all over the lid, and this is just going to give us a beautiful smoky eye effect. So freaking beautiful. Next up, we're just going to go back in with that fluffy brush, no extra product, and we're just going to bluff the edges so it's nice and blended. Now I'm going to take the liquid eyeshadow in shade Yanga. Do you guys see this beautiful purple reflect? Now this is pulling out the purple tones. So freaking gorgeous, girl. Like, get into it.
Let me just say this, I really was going for like a brown. I wanted to do like a gingerbread kind of look because my hair was ginger, but girl, why these came out purple? So I guess it's a purple Christmas, period. Woo! Okay guys, so I don't have my primer, so I'm gonna be using the Morphe Mini, well, this is the mini one, but this is the Prep and Set Mist. So it's a prep for your skin, and then we'll set also with this. So we're just gonna go ahead and just let this dry down onto my skin. And for foundation, we're gonna go ahead and use my NARS Tahoe foundation. But can you believe I did not set up my Christmas tree? Girl. It's literally almost Christmas and I don't even have my Christmas tree up, so I'm gonna put that up today. I'm gonna be doing like a little vlog of everything I'm doing today because I have a lot going on. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this foundation on. I'm not gonna put too much on. Well, that probably honestly was a lot because that was about like 3 pumps, but we're just gonna, you know, spread that all over my face. This foundation is the truth. I remember either the end of 2022 or the beginning of 2023, I never understood the hype of it. I was like, bro, like girls literally are just like following people like, what's the hype? What's the hype? What's the hype with it? But girl, the hype is there. Like this foundation, it just looks like skin. Like, where's the foundation? Where's the foundation? I mean, like, come on, girl. I'm actually going to work today. I have so many clients and I don't know, like it's so funny, it's so weird. I never wear like a lot of makeup. I actually don't wear makeup to work too often, regardless, which is not good because I feel like it just makes you look more put together when you like have like a mini beat on. Like, you just looks like you took your time to like get ready this morning. So I had started doing that before I moved. Before I moved, I was doing it and then I had stopped because I just feel like I don't have like my makeup, my home makeup how I want it right now. So I just don't even do it. But I need to start investing in my home makeup kit so I could do my makeup, because I just feel like, what is it running into Team Stacie and her makeup is not done? Like, what? Come on, girl, that's crazy. Like, that doesn't even sound right, doesn't even make sense. Like, and I just feel like if you are always ready, you don't have to get ready. Anyways, for concealer, I'm using the Tarte concealer. This is the travel size as well. I got the travel because I never used Tarte, which is so crazy because this is like an oldie. Like, so many girls has used Tarte, but I don't know, like I'm the type of person, if I feel like something is too hype, I don't want it. Like, I don't be wanting it because I just be feeling like, bro, like I'm not trying to be like a follower. Like I want to do my own thing. But it's like, bro, these things be going viral and be so hype because they're so good. Like, so I'm really trying to get out of that. But yeah, this concealer is already looking, this makeup is honestly looking really good. And I know y'all thought we was done here. I know y'all thought I was finished, but I'm not. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and blend this out with my makeup sponge, just tapping this right into the skin. I think I have brought another sponge home. Okay, so I did not bring another sponge home, which is not good, but it's okay. We're just gonna go ahead and use this one last time because this looks like it has been through hell and back. This looks like I done took this out of the 2016 makeup kit with all this freaking product on here. Okay, so I think something that I'm gonna do before the year closes is just a recap of this year. I think that's gonna be really, really fun on my channel to just talk about growth, to talk about change, and just all that. Like, it's so much that has happened. It could have been 2 years ago, but I really want to say, yeah, it probably was about 2 years ago. I want to say it was last year. It was either last year or 2 years ago, but I literally remember around Christmas time, someone texted me, they were like, bro, you just hit 10,000 subscribers. Like, I remember that. And someone hit me and they were like, you hit 15,000. Like, I remember these times. Now I'm about to be at 40,000 subscribers. And I know 2024, if I think any year was a good year, 2024 is gonna be that year. And I just really want to do like a recap because I just feel like this year was amazing. I feel like I've grown so much with my makeup. I've grown so much with you guys. It's just so much. I feel like you guys have grown so much with your makeup, like just following different tips and things like that. Like, I'm just so excited for the new year. And I know a lot of people, you know, talk about, oh, 2023 was such a bad year, bro. I mean, everybody's story is different, but please speak for yourself. Like, where people literally be around me to be like, bro, this was the worst year ever. Who? Because this was every year it just keeps getting better and better for me. Every year I'd be like, bro, this was the best year ever. And then the next year I'd be like, damn, this was the best year ever. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just put this concealer on. This is a different concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, but this one is the matte one. So I'm just gonna put that just for extra coverage. Oh, I just remembered I have something on the stove, bruh. I need to stop saying bruh. That's gonna be one of the things I give up. That's staying in 2023. I will not be saying bruh. That is not ladylike at all. Like, just saying that out loud sounded crazy. Bruh, bro, bruh, what? I'm gonna take my one size setting powder, and I'm just gonna go right in with the sponge, and we're just gonna start setting under the eye with that powder. Pushing this into the skin, so we're just gonna make sure the powder disappears. Yes, nice, smooth, and blurred. That looks really good. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Juvias Place bronzer. This one's really dark for me. This is amber, but it's the one I have. I don't know why I didn't get one that's a little closer to my skin tone, but we're just gonna take a little bit of amber, and we're just going to pop this on my upper cheek bones and a little bit on my forehead, and I'll probably take just a tiny bit on the bridge of my nose because this is really dark, so we have to play it real safe. What I'm gonna do now is we're just gonna blend this upward so we can have, you know, ooh, period, get into it, trust. Okay, let me stop. Oh, that's just me. Like, I feel like I just talk like that, but I can't lie. One thing that I really am gonna work on and be very intentional about is me just being more of a classy woman. If you guys don't know, I turned 24 this year. Ooh, I'm getting older. Yeah, I'm getting older. So I'm 24 this year, and I just feel like I'm a woman now. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, you know how like people, it'd be your birthday and then people be like, oh, like, how do you feel? Like, do you feel old? Like, do you feel old now? Like, or do you feel older? Like, how do you feel? And most people just say like it feels the same, and most of the time it does feel the same. From 17 to 18, from 18 to 19, from 19 to 20, from 21, from 20 to 21, from 21 to 22, from 22 to 23, but from 23 to 24, that literally feels like a group of just being a young adult to being just an adult. I feel like it starts now. Like 20 to 23 is like, you're still a young adult. 24, you're an adult, period. There's nothing young about that anymore. Like, you're an adult. And that's why I feel like I had to, like, I mean, and don't get me wrong, I'm still young. I'm still gonna be making mistakes. I'm still learning life. But I feel like that made me like really want to step my cookies up in a lot of different avenues. Like, okay, bro, like tighten up. Like, you're not a kid anymore. Like, these mistakes of, oh, I'm still young, I'm still figuring out life. It's like, it's not cutting it anymore. You know what I mean? So I'm just taking some of the setting powder on a powder puff, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face just to help set my full face.
Here I'm just grabbing the green liquid eyeshadow in shade Wazobia and just bringing a Christmas tree vibe to the look.
Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. I'm gonna just go ahead and take this white shade from the Morphe Avani Greg palette,
and after I apply this white eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on highlight on top of it.
It's a little bit hard to like blend in like different shades of glitter, but I still feel like it's so pretty. So for eyes, we're gonna go ahead and take the Remedy by Ari Lashes, and this is in Lash Style Top Tier because that's what I am, period. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just take one. I think I'm gonna take this one and this one, these two powders, and make my own lip liner because I cannot do a nude lip without like a dark liner. We're gonna use the NYX. This is their soft matte cream lip, and we're gonna use shade Cario. You guys know this shade. This shade's pretty oldie but a goldie. I'm gonna go ahead and just, ooh, yes. Yes, do you see that? Ooh, All right, my beautiful girls, I love you guys so freaking much, and I just thought I wanted to say that because I feel like I don't say it enough, and I probably say it in all my videos, but just want to start off with that one, okay? But guys, in today's video, we did go ahead and achieve this beautiful holiday inspired look. So if you are ready to look like the Beyonce that you are in the middle of the living room for holiday season, this is the look you go for, okay, period. So I wanted to give you guys my honest review on the Culture 2 palette. I really, not even just the palette, the collection, I really love it. The liquid eyeshadows are literally freaking crazy. They look amazing. There's so many looks that can be created with this. The eyeshadow palette has a lot of range. There was a few shades that came off a little bit chalky, but the shades that I decided to work with today came out perfect together. Another thing is I had to learn how to read undertones better, because I really did think I was going to do a gingerbread brown kind of look today, but it came out with a purple and green, but it's still very, very gorgeous. So yeah, I really do like the collection. My favorite thing is the liquid eyeshadows though. They are beautiful. Like those are like a must-have in your makeup kit. The eyeshadow palette is really nice. I'm a very neutral kind of girl, so I don't really play with colors too much, but Juvias Place, one thing about them, they're gonna get me out my comfort zone, okay? So yes, if you're interested in purchasing the their collection or their palette, or if you guys can go ahead and check them out. I'll put some information down below on that if you guys do want to get that to recreate this look. Yeah, if you guys haven't followed me on my social media platform, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right here. Follow me on TikTok. It's also gonna be right here. So make sure you guys just follow me on all my social media networks. And I want you guys to go ahead and comment down below this secret emoji if you made it this far into today's video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Like, girl, you made it this far, you might as well join the team and just do it like Nike. Give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, always tapping in, watching my videos. You guys mean the world and beyond to me. Love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.